Let me start separating this oil-water separator. Here is the barometer and plastic belt. Fix it here. Here is for air intake. Install them at both ends. Here is for air intake, and here is for air comes out. Install the separator about 1 or 2 meters away from the air compressor. Here is to adjust air pressure. Pull it up, turn to the right to increase the air pressure, to the left to decrease it. Press down to close. Here's for adjust oil pressure. This jar is for oil. And this is for water. Pull it down to let out the water. Here's the separator. Here's the water filter. If it is more than half a quart full of water, pull it here and the water will leak out. It is flexible. It is for oil. Open it. And how to open it? There is an arrow sign. Open it from here. There is a red button. Press down. Here's 2 black points. Press down just like that. Don't press too hard. Press down from here and turn left. Just go to this position. That's good. Then pull it out. As you can see, here are 4 position slots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is for the red button. Here, red button. After taking out, pour the oil in. Then put it back. Pay more attention when storing. Here's a word in. Start from here. Make the red button aim at this position. Plug in the jar. Make it facing here. Don't block it with the side here. You cannot put it in if it is blocked. Put it in like this. After installing it, the red button is facing here. Then turn it to the left and turn to this position slot. At the same time, press the button down a bit. See, it can press down, it can move. Press down and turn it from here. Just get stuck here and this stable. If you don't get stuck on it, the air pressure will rush over and the oil will come out from here.